Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox EcoFlow's hottest product at the moment, the EcoFlow PowerStream Micro-Inverter. We can't wait to see what surprises the little box has in store for us. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. So alright, let's see what's inside the box. There's an arrow on the front of the packaging, just pull it open, and inside we'll find two boxes. One small and one big. As you can see, the small box is the AC cable. There you go, we have it right here. The bigger box, of course, contains some really nice and important things. So the first thing that we're gonna find once we open the box and we pull this out is the manual. Always important to read through that, as it usually contains important tips to ensure a safe usage process. If you accidentally misplace the manual, don't worry, EcoFlow's official website provides a PDF version that you can download and print. Let's now see what's inside this box right here. So first of all, once we pull this out, we have, of course, this solar panel connecting cable, a package of installation brackets for mounting the microinverter on the wall, and accompanying screws. Another item in this bag is the cover for the microinverter, which can be directly attached to it, preventing direct contact. On the other side of the cover, there's a cable puller for disconnecting the connecting cables, and I'll demonstrate how it works later. And here it is, finally, the EcoFlow PowerStream Microinverter. It's impressively compact and resembles Apple's Mac Mini to some extent. The design is stylish, the structure is sturdy, and it feels quite substantial and highly durable. With its waterproof design, you can place this little microinverter not only indoors, also in your garden and terrace. The PowerStream microinverter comes equipped with three ports. They are the AC output, the battery port, and solar panel input or PV port. Additionally, you'll notice the signal receiver antenna, which is essential for the microinverter's operation. Each interface and connecting cable port features corresponding symbols, making it easy to match and plugging the cables correctly without any confusion. Due to safety reasons, the cables must be securely attached to ensure stable functionality. You can't simply pull them out with force. To disconnect the cables, you can utilize the cable puller located on the back of the protective cover. By inserting the tool between the latch and the microinverter, the connecting cables can be effortlessly detached. EcoFlow prioritizes safety above all else, and this PowerStream microinverter is no exception. With its built-in safety features such as waterproofing and over-temperature protection, you can rest assured that both our devices and the inverter itself are well protected during operation. Let's now dive into the capabilities of the microinverter. Despite its small size, this remarkable device can connect to two 400-watt solar panels, delivering an impressive output power of 600 watts. Furthermore, once permitted by German regulations, it can even be upgraded to reach 800 watts. The microinverter can be linked to different EcoFlow power stations using various connecting cables, allowing the storage of any excess electricity generated. With my existing solar panels and the Delta 2 unit, the only missing piece is the battery cable, which will enable me to install my own balcony solar system. I'm excited to move forward with the setup. And this is the EB cable that I'm talking about. Pretty simple box that once you open it, it contains a cable which we'll be using to connect it to the Delta 2. Oh, and before I forget, something super cool and unique, look at this. These are EcoFlow's new smart plugs, and let me quickly open this for you because they really look beautiful. Look at this. Look at how beautiful the smart plugs are. And we're going to use them in our whole connecting system environment, and you'll see what they can do. Okay, with all the components now connected and the app setup completed, don't forget to check out the app setup tutorial we uploaded, please. It's time for the testing phase. I'll use the EcoFlow PowerStream microinverter to power my home while connecting my laptop and smartphone to the household sockets for charging. Let's observe the real-time data and information displayed on the app during this test. As you can see, it's charging both the laptop and the smartphone simultaneously, without any issues. PowerStream boasts another impressive feature. It can intelligently allocate power by utilizing compatible EcoFlow smart plugs, even if there's no one at the home during the day. The microinverter can efficiently supply power to fluctuating appliances and adjust input power in real time, ensuring that not a single watt of electricity goes to waste. This capability allows for optimized energy usage and maximum efficiency. Its compact design, plug and play, and built-in safety features make it a fantastic addition to any eco-friendly lifestyle. Whether you're out on the road or facing a power outage at home, this little powerhouse has got your back. That's it for today's unboxing of the EcoFlow PowerStream. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly product introduction and helpful tips. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay eco-conscious. Goodbye.